Auto Locksmith Miami has state-of-the-art technology and hardware available for your automotive emergency and non-emergency needs. Our mobile workshops are stocked with all the necessary equipment, tools, and hardware needed to get you into your car or truck in case of an emergency or non-emergency car lockout, no matter where you are, any hour, day, or night. Our technicians are fully licensed and insured to handle more delicate matters such as ignition key programming and ignition key reset and the programming of transponder key chips. Auto Locksmith Miami is more than happy to assist you with key malfunction issues like jamming or broken key extraction and also simple car key duplication. So call us at Auto Locksmith Miami 786-319-4591 now.